Jersey number 15, Artius Momin.
Players battling
Jersey
for
number
the ball.
16,
Player going up on the
Sengre
ball here.
Momin.
Chance
Jersey
of a
number
shot.
14, Chispas Momin.
Call for a free kick, and it's given.
Goalkeeper Anupam Dahar Rabah. Jersey number 22, Chiranjit Rabah. Jersey number 18, Henry Marak. And jersey number
Look
9,
at that one.
Kaushik Rabah. Albertson
That's a very good chance. Shot taken. And that's a brilliant goal there. Scoreline KYC 1, Wasa 0.
First goal scored by Khliehmawlieh. Goal scorer jersey number 13, Andistar Rashid.
That's a very good chance. Kenny took the shot, but goalkeeper came out on time to collect that one. Referee has intervened here. That's Let us look at this incident again. KYC with the ball. Ball delivered into the box. Shot taken, and that's quite above the bar. And that was a goal. So goal number 2 for KYC. Scoreline KYC 2, Wasa 0.
Scored by
Let us look at that one again.
Score Khliehmawlieh 2, Wasa 0. Goal scorer jersey number 21, Celtic star Khliehmawlieh.
Plays it really well to the number 12. Now into the wing. Will a cross come in? Shot comes in, but deflected. Another shot comes in and a goal. A lovely goal and a lovely deflected and a lovely capitalized by the number 21 over there by the players of Khliehmawlieh FC. It was Shelbixter Karshilot who scored a golazo from the top of the box. It's a golazo shot from the top of the box, and the goalkeeper of
Number 21, Celtic star Khliehmawlieh.
free kick taken very long by the number 4, but straight into the hands of Anupam Dhar over there. The Wasa FC players trying to build the attack from the defense. Now the captain of Wasa FC looking to control the midfield fully. Ball comes up, but cleared away by the players of Khliehmawlieh FC. And scoreline is Khliehmawlieh YC 3. Another dangerous position, but well defended by the Wasa FC defender Jerry over there. Now the number 12. Again a foul in favor of Khliehmawlieh FC as the number 12 Walambor Sharpang is being fouled by one of the defenders of Wasa FC. Istarbor or the number 5 Jymmang. Now number 5 Jymmang takes the free kick. A good shot. Good save by Anupam Dhar, and the foul for the Khliehmawlieh players over there. It was a goal and straight goal now in the favour now by the number 13 of Khliehmawlieh. This was a shot and it's a goalkeeping error. It was. That could have been a goal but well saved by the player of Anupam Dhar over there. This was a free kick. Anupam Dhar had to taste a lot of tests over there. Now the Wasa FC players who has been fouled over there on the number 19. Oh, it was a lovely looping ball over there. A lovely goal by the number 12 Walambor. Kaushik takes the shot. It was a only goal for Wasa FC. A very good shot by Kaushik Rabha there. This is a long and a bad foul by the number 12 over there. This and the first half had come to an end over there. This is the second half. Foul on the goalkeeper there by Walambor over there. This was how Khonsai was fouled. A good attack by the Wasa players. This was the shot and the goal also shot by the number 12 Walambor. And no one had anything to do with this shot. This was the most controversial goal, and through my naked eye I could have seen that the ball has dropped on the other side of the line and it's a legal goal. This was the unluckiest chance of the match. That's living